Have you ever looked at your mixer and asked yourself, what exactly is gain? Well, you're in luck. Getting this right can transform your mix from muddy to crystal clear. So let's start with what gain actually is. This knob is crucial because it sets the stage for everything in your mixer. EQ, effects, monitors, as well as the overall volume for your channel. You'll typically find the gain knob at the top of each channel, especially on an analog mixer. With a digital mixer, it depends. Some have a global gain knob in the top corner of the board, just like this one here, but most will still give you an individual gain on each channel. If your gain is too low, your signal is going to sit too close to the noise floor, which means you'll pick up unwanted hiss and background noises. On the flip side, if your gain is too high, you risk clipping, which causes distortion and can damage ears or equipment. Typically, you'll find a meter just like this one. Somewhere on the mixer, the red part is where it is clipping and distorting. Some mixers have a pad button. This helps reduce the input signal by about 20 to 26 decibels, making it easier for the mixer to handle loud sources like snare mics and hot instrument pickups. Here's a basic method that works in most situations for setting gain properly. First, turn the gain knob and the channel fader all the way down on your mixer. Then have your audio source start, whether it's a vocalist sing or guitarist play. Just make sure they're doing it just as they would during a live performance. Slowly turn the gain knob up while watching your input meter. You want to aim for about -10 to -6 decibels. Once you've got that set, go ahead and bring your channel fader up to the desired level and you're good to go. If your mixer doesn't have a meter that shows the decibels, go ahead and just watch your clip or your peak light indicators. They will give you a pretty good idea of where you're sitting at. Raise the gain until you start seeing the indicator light up occasionally, then just back it down a little bit. If you don't have a pad button on your mixer, you can get a inline attenuator or a DI box with a pad function and use those. Alternatively, you can reposition the mic or use a microphone that has less sensitivity that will help reduce the input level. In a live setting, it's common for performers to sing louder or play their instruments louder during the actual performance than they did during sound check. Leave yourself a little headroom when setting your gain, just in case. Keep an eye on the meters and be ready to make small adjustments during the show if needed. Keep in mind that any adjustments you make to the gain will affect other things downstream, such as the monitors. Let me know your biggest sound question down in the comments below. I might cover that next. If this helped clear things up, please hit the like button and subscribe for more beginner-friendly quick tips like this.